Hey, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Happy holidays, happy holidays. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining me. This is a quick video on how to make ribbons. Make ribbons for your gifts, for your trees, and different things like that. I have several ribbons that I've made around the home, and I want to show you how to make them because it's not a lot of great videos, and I seen some years ago and I'm just like, I came up with this way. I felt like this is easier for me. It's similar to some techniques I've seen, but this is just easier for me. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to need some ribbon. Make sure your ribbon is wired, and that's going to be, if you go like that, whatever way or direction you put it in, that determines if it is wired or not, because it will stay in the form that you curve it into. All right, so you need some wired ribbon, your choice of size, and this is a 2" by 30 feet. And I got this from Walmart for $3.98. You're gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need a glue gun, which is what I have right here, and I'm kind of protect the table. And then this is the ribbon that I've already made. I'm gonna be putting this on a stack of gifts that I'm going to put on my front porch. So yeah, and it has the tails and everything, and I'm gonna curl the tails once I glue this to the gifts. So this is what we're gonna get ready to make. And this is a wide ribbon, so let's get started. So all you need is to grab your ribbon, and depending on how wide you want your ribbon, that's how wide you're going to make the folds. And you really don't want to fold it, you're just going to kind of curve it around, so you're going to go like this. So say you wanted your ribbon to be this length, that's how you would curve it around. I want mine bigger, so I'm going to make it to the size that I want it to be, and continue to, don't cut it yet, so just take ribbon off. You're going to take it, curve it around. You want to get a straight 360, because if you don't have 360 on each side, you're not going to have even loops on your ribbon. So you want to come all the way around and do a 360. Each 360 will create a whole another loop, and this is what I mean. So if you was to pull it apart, you want to see that it curves all the way around on each loop. So you got 3, but on this side I don't think it's a full 3. See, it's, well, yeah, there we go. I thought, yeah, I did curve it around 6 times. So yeah, so we have an even 3 on each side, but I want to do another one. So I'm gonna come all the way around again, and then that's gonna give me 4. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, right? And that's it. So once you do that, you hold it in your hand tightly, and you're going to flip it over, and you're going to cut. Don't cut directly in the middle, cut more on the end, like right about here. And it doesn't matter if it's straight or anything, you can always cut it later. Now some people say fold it this way. Well, that's if you're going to be having wire. We don't have wire, so we're going to fold it the opposite way, and then we're going to turn it sideways, which is weird. I know we're going to turn it sideways, but I promise you it's all going to work out in the end. So we had it sideways, so that's what we're going to do. Let's set this down, grab us a piece of this. This is about a good 2 inches. And what we're going to do is take it and fold it back the way I showed you, the back way. Once you fold it the back way, flip it to the side, right? Because we need a flat space in order to make the bow look pretty in the front. So we're going to take this and we're going to hot glue it down on the back, just like this, and flip this side over. So I'm going to take hot glue, put it here. It's hot, so I really gotta let it cool off. And then all you want to do, let me let it cool off. All right, all you want to do is take this and glue it down as flat as you can get it. Remember, this is the back. Them tails that I'm going to show you how to make are going to hide all this good stuff, so don't even worry. We want to make sure that front looks amazing, like this. You want it to look flat in the front, so don't worry. So we have that glued down. Please, if you're a child and you're trying to make this bow, please get a parent or someone to help you. Now wait till it's glued down really well, and then you can kind of twist it and maneuver it in the front. Okay, you don't want to do it while the glue is still hot, because you want to be able to open these tails up. So this is what you have. I know it looks wonky right now, but it won't in the end. So now you're going to take your bow, and you're going to cut your tails. So you're going to take a piece, depending on how long you want the tails, you fold it in half like that, and then you make a cut from the folded edge to the open edge, and you go like that in a, I'll say about a, what do you say that is, like a 60-degree angle, and then you have your tails. So now you take this piece that you've cut, tails one end, and you're going to glue it back here to that flat piece, so now you can't see anything. So now we're going to take glue here, glue there, let it cool, let it cool. All right, I'm back, and then we're going to just place it like that. You don't want to burn yourself. And now you have your bow with your tails. Now this is the good part. You're going to take it and kind of maneuver it, and you're going to pull out your pieces like so. Now you can leave them flat, or you can open them up, and that's all. That is how you create a nice ribbon. You can use these for decorations, for parties, for holidays, for birthdays, and all that great stuff. So there is your ribbon. You can take this and curl it and do what you want to do with that. Make it look cute and put it on whatever you desire. I hope this was helpful. And if you don't want it flat, you can do this. Open them up, make it look even fuller by going like this. And you'll have an even fluffier, cuter bow, and you can pull it out even more. So that is a quick and easy bow tutorial. I hope this was helpful. If it was, thumbs up the video. If you're new to my channel, join my family by hitting that subscribe bell and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators. So this is the wreath that I created with the bow that I just showed you guys. I wanted to stick this in. I'm getting ready to put this on my door. But yeah, beautiful.